Cite ko lang yung advantages ng Ford Q. Yeah. So leather seats to with Toyota Safety Sense, power adjust seats, so then power tailgate. Yan yung mga advantages niyan. Then ipo-point out ko na right now. So yeah, simulan ko na agad dito sa likod. This one is power tailgate. Yan. Let's go inside. So chrome design for the door handle, then equipped with the smart entry button. So ito yung ginagawa ko lagi, starting here from the left, then going to the right. Everything na makita natin, isa-isayin natin. So let's begin. Ito, classic one. So ito yung controls ng every window here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then central lock ng doors, this one. Central lock ng windows, just in case may bata. Then the classic, style pa rin nito, joystick. Left or right to adjust the side mirrors. The other one. Then up, down, yan, pang-adjust. Or left or right. So depende sa preference nyo, sa adjustment ng seat nyo. Then this one is pang-retract ng side mirrors. So depende na yan sa inyo, kung especially kung liit yung parking space nyo, minsan kailangan nila yan. So this one, meron tayong tweeter here. Then after the tweeter, below is this one, the big speaker here. Usually apat naman talaga ang speaker nito, every doors there. Then cup holder here, extended. This one is extended, so pwede kang maglagay ng files here. And after this panel is the seat adjustment. So ito, power na siya. Adjust ng sandalan, adjust ng seat. Yan. So pwede mo rin ma-adjust dito yung seat height. Especially yan ng mga pagbabae, gusto nila makita lagi yung hood. Lagi nila na-adjust tong seat ng mataas. So after here, dito na tayo sa panels under this steering wheel. Buksan ko lang yung light. Yan, alright. So this one, ito yung sensor para sa parking. Then this one below is the 360 camera for monitoring of the vehicle. Then this one is the button for the tailgate. So ito very ideal when it comes to papunta ka ng mall. Then yung makulit na guard is asking for the tailgate, the third row to be open. So pwede mo na pindutin here. Yan. Then ito yung gas lever. Then for the hood. Alright. So yan, side ko lang itong Q kasi, this is not 4-wheel drive. This is 4x2. Pero yun na nga, if you want that extra juice, extra power for the Fortuner, meron tayong option na ganito, Fortuner Q with bigger engine versus the 2.4 na G and V. So enough of that. Let's go here at the steering wheel. Let me just close this door. So yeah, ito yung design ng steering wheel niya. Silver accent here. Answer call, hang up, volume adjustment, skip. Mode is for the adjustment here usually. So para maging hands-free while you were focused on the road. So then this one is the cursor. Up, down, left, right, then enter. So itong control na to is used to control here the multi-information display. Then meron tong back button here. Then dito meron shortcut key ng lane departure, then sensor. Moving on here. So ito yung aircon display niya. Actually kaka-video ko lang ng Hilux. Very much the same here. Yan yung dashboard design. So tara, isa-isay natin. Ito yung aircon vent, aircon flow adjustment, hazard button, pang-adjust ng time. Yan. So itong stereo na to, if you can notice, bang lumang year model ng Fortuner, hindi po ganito ang monitor ng dashboard nila. Mas maliit po. So of course, meron din yung Apple and Android connectivity. Then after there, below is the aircon controls. So, yan. Off, auto, rotary adjustment. There. Yan. Dual temp control. Then, ito, adjustment ng blower for the fan. Then, defogger. Front defogger, rear defogger, airflow control, circulation, then rear. Itong rear na to, para hindi ka napupunta dun sa likod, i-off yung aircon. After the rear is, dito meron lagayan ng coins. Power supply here. Yan, ganda. Then, wireless charger ng phone. Ganda. Then, ito, ipupush mo lang to. Yan. Nice. Cup holder. Dalawa yan. Then, after that is this one. Ito, yung shift knob. Ito yung design niya. Wala lang nakalagay dito right now kasi tinatanggal muna to while in showroom kasi merong instances at merong experience here na ninakaw tong shift knob. So yan, park, reverse, neutral, Tiptronic, plus minus. After the shift knob, this one. So meron tayo here, sports mode, normal mode, and eco mode. So yan, ang ano naman yan, to summarize this is nag-vary dito yung power performance ng vehicle. Yan sa tatlong yan. So itong eco, of course, para makasave ng gasoline. So, dito naman sa baba is the traction control. The traction button. Yan. Pwede mo i-off or on yung traction. Yan. Then, dito naman is, yan, lagayan. Ganda. Maluwag siya. Square ang design niya actually. Yan. Then, this one is the classic handbrake. Yan. So, yan. Huwag kayo madidismaya dito. Fortuner Q, pero naka-classic handbrake. Ako, in my opinion, mas gusto ko to. While you are focused on the street, on the road, you can just grab this. Yan. Nang walang patingin-tingin dito sa baba. Yan. Yung advantage yan eh. Kaya yan yung naging classic design ng handbrake. So, yan. Wait, pakita ko lang yung center console natin. Yan. Yan. Ito na ang headliner natin. Merong mirror. And merong lights. So usually yan, nice. Every time you open this lid, is nag-open na yung ilaw. Okay? So kung magme-makeup yung asawa nyo. Then this, ito yung design ng ilaw niya sa taas. So ito to push button siya. Left and right. Then door function, dalawa siya. Yan. Nice. Meron ding lagayan ng salamin. Tignan nga natin to, visor here, kung merong salamin. Nice, meron din. And of course, may ilaw din. Yan. Para pwede makapagsalamin yung driver. Move on na tayo sa second row. So, isang advantage ito is this one, leather seats. Nice, ganda. Buo yan. Naka-plastic lang to, pero all of the seats are in leather. Yeah, so by the way, ito pala. This is the passenger side at the first row, driver side. Power adjust na rin ang seats niya. Ganda. Nice. So this is the second row. Alright. Cup holder, extended speaker, window control, door, hawakan. Pang-open ng door, pang-lock. Nice. Then, leather seat, of course. Leather seats. Everything. Then, dito, sa banda may paanan na version is the power supply. Classic power supply. Nice. Then, may lagayan. Pwede nyo ilagay yung phone nyo here. Then, another power supply. So, USB design na siya. Nice. So, may lagayan pa rin dito ng files and folders. Then, dito, meron retractable here. Hindi ko na matanggal yung plastic kasi. Pero, meron retractable here na sabitan. Yan. Alright. Ganda. Ganda ng pagka-leather. So, depende na sa preference nyo. Yan. Then, ang design ng aircon ventilation niya is this one. Yan. Then, ito sa ilaw. Ito, may control here ng aircon. So, ito yung controls ng fan level niya, auto and off. Then, ito yung sa ilaw. Yan. Yan. Door function and lit. Ito lit, ilaw lang. Door, every time na may naka-open na door, iilaw to. Just to remind you. So, of course, being the 4th Q, hindi pwedeng mawawalan to ng backing camera. Of course, backing sonars. This one and this one. So this one. Yan. Meron tayo 4 na sonars here sa likod. Then, of course, power tailgate to. Let's try it on. Yan. Let's try this power tailgate. So yan, na-push ko na. Yan. Okay. So, ang pag-close niya is this one, this button. Sa ibang model, meron tong level adjustment. Pero dito kasi is close na agad. Yeah. So, ito yung design ng third row niya. So, yan. Fold here. Ito yung third row seats niya. Or fold just like this. So, kapag finold mo itong dalawa, syempre, laki na ng cargo space mo at the back. Yan. So dito sa side na to is meron lagay ng tools here. Yan. Tatanggalin mo to. So ingat lang baka mamaya maputol yung mga ibang clips. Yan. Then another power supply here. Yan Meron power supply here sa likod. Nice. Ito may lagayan dito sa gilid. Sa right portion to ng vehicle Yan, and aircon vent here sa third row. Yan. Yan, may hawakan din sa likod sa third row to, may hawakan, aircon vent. Yan. Then may ilaw here. Yan. At least kung meron kayo inaayos, especially on dark areas. Yan. So paano tatanggalin yung spare tire nito is this one. Ito. Meron sinusungkit dito. Then, bababa itong spare tire mo. Yan. And, the mag size is this one. 18. Ayan. Trivia lang ulit. Non-stop to. At all my videos, ito lang naman, indication R18. It means 18 ang size ng mags. So, previously, hindi ganyan ng design ng mags, hindi siya two-tone. Pero ngayon, minor upgrade for the Fortuner Q. Two-tone na yan. Nice. Ganda. Of course, integrated yung turning signal natin here. So yan, marami nagtatanong for this Fortuner design kung may bago na banda dating. Actually, wala pa. Wala pang advice sa amin. Fog lights. 360 camera here. Honeycomb design ng grills. Nice. So as of this October 2024, the price is this one. 2.1, 2,194,000 Fortuner Q. This is not the white pearl, of course. The white pearl color is with additional 15,000. Nice. So yan, inikutan ko lang muna before I end this video. Stop recording. So yun, meron kaming trade-in dito. Any brands tinatanggap namin. Pero very ideal, dali nyo yung vehicle here para ma-final yung appraisal amount. Pwede kami magbigay ng quick appraisal via, pwede ko kayo i-text or text me. Pero hindi yun final. Ang final is dalhin nyo dito. Pero wag nyo basta-basta dalhin Schedule it. Hindi, kasi mga appraisers namin, hindi yan lagi nandito. So mamaya pumunta kayo dito. Pagpunta nyo dito, wala yung appraiser, magagalit kayo sa amin. So after the trade-in, all brands, cash, financing, pwede tayong high down I-high down nyo para mas mababa yung monthly kung natataasan kayo sa monthly. So yun, pwede rin yung sa trade-in, ito na yung total cash out nyo is yung amount nung vehicle nyo. Yan. Then meron tayong leasing, pwede nyo ito i-PO. So yan, lahat ng transaction, ikaw na bahala. advantage itong 4Q talaga is the extra power ng engine. At 2.8, 4x2, extra juice, extra power, extra giggle sa makina when it comes to urban driving. So yun na nga, tawag lang kayo anytime. So, yeah, bye. Thank you.